Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for all of us. What is happening over the time is that every profession is losing the workmanship. Everyone is losing its voice within the overall system of professionalism. And this is true across sectors, be it an architecture or design like media, or be it any other sector. What is evolving to be a pattern globally is that the workmanship is creating a certain kind of disability. Over the time, what we've realized is that it is impossible to address a system as a whole, but it's possible to address system in a collective individualism, in the sense if everybody puts singular effort and tries to see themselves as part of a certain system and a pattern, then it's possible to start making small little changes which are required to be made. And Pattern the Summit essentially is the embodiment of this value system. The plot is not yet lost. There's still a story to be told. Fraternity meet. Acceptance of the fact that we are all part of one system. If we don't recognize that we're part of it, by way of being there, we are probably not recognizing that we are also wanting to do something. So the idea is to be first part of a fraternity and recognizing to be there, and therefore exploring a few dots that are having a potential to be connected. So the effort is that we also connect this dot and eventually identify a few gaps that can, over the time, if we address, then somewhere a great value system can be added in the architecture and design field. And therefore, the idea is it's not just about a mind, it's the fusion, it's the balance that is really essential, and therefore there's some kind of human value system that is required to be integrated. And that's why the idea of G40, Q50, the mindset and the intangible thing that is brought forth in a profession, along with the fact that one needs to recognize the material part of it. So making it happen along with the philosophy behind it, the fusion of both of that really matters. And that's what our effort is over the time, to identify the gaps and really address them. That is what Pattern the Summit stands for, to see if we can connect some dots in Indian architecture and design industry. With that, over the next 2 days, we do hope that we will have engaging conversations. And by way of that, hopefully, over the time, if that bonds become stronger, then our job would be done. So with that, we open the summit. Thank you so much for being here.